Well, hi, once again back to my channel and welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm going to share with you a very important topic. The topic name is 50 daily uses English sentences. And this sentence is too much crucial for our daily life, for our place life, for our office life, any kind of situation you can use this kind of sentences. So don't waste your time and don't skip any kind of portion because every portion is too much crucial for about learning speaking English. So this is time for let's beginning. Oh my goodness. If you want to learn this 50 sentence, you can handle 80% of daily conversation. So that's why this is too much crucial. These are most common daily use sentences. Use at home, office, shop, phone and social life. You can use anywhere. These 50 sentences easy for beginner. Number one is section one. Daily use English at home. Only 10 sentences. Number one is I'm getting ready. I am getting ready. Two is what for breakfast. What for breakfast. You can use at your home. Please turn on the fan light. Please turn on the fan and light. And I'm feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. Or I will do it later. I will do it later. Another is what did you put it? What did you put it? Where did you put it? 7, 8. I'm not hungry right now. I'm not hungry right now. That's why I will lunch later. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. Don't waste your time. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. And wake up at 6 a.m. Wake up at 6 a.m. I'm getting ready because I'm going outside. You can use this kind of sentences. And what's for breakfast? In today breakfast menu is some kind of rice and eggs. And please turn off the fan light because now I'm sleeping. This is called practice for daily home 10 English sentences. Section 2 is office, work and study. Daily uses 10 sentences. I'm working on it. I am working on it. That's why I'm too busy. Please don't disturb me. You can use. And 12 is let me check. Let me check. Is it right or wrong? Please let me check this email. You can use this full sentences and I will call you later. I will call you later because now I'm busy. 15 is please explain it again. Please explain it again because I don't understand about your meetings or about your speech. 16 is I didn't understand. Please could you repeat once more time? 17 is can you help me? Can you help me because in this situation I'm doing struggle. Or 18 is I will finish it today. I will finish it today. You will get it tomorrow. Very simple. And let's start the meeting because time is already over. Let's start the meeting because time is already over. 20 is I need more time. Please give me some time. I need more time to finish this work or to finish this task. you can say this kind of English conversation. Section 3 is shopping and outside. 10 sentences. But 21 is how much is this? How much is this? This is 20 taka only. Can you give me reduce some kind of? No, there is no reduce about this product because it's fixed for 20 taka. And 22 is it's too expensive, that's why I couldn't buy it. It's too expensive, that's why I couldn't buy it. 23 is do you have this is another color? Do you have this is another color? Yes, this color is available. Which color do you want? Please tell me. I will show you with it. I'm just looking what will happen on that place. I'm just looking what will happen on this or that place. Can you give me a discount? No, there is no discount. There is no discount with this product, that's why I can't give you any kind of discount. 26 is I will take this. I will take this. Please packet this because I will take this. 27 is what is the washroom? Where is the washroom? Washroom on the left corner. Please go walk with step. 28 is I am waiting for someone because he or she is very special person to me. And that's all. Thank you. See you soon. See you soon. Keep me sane. Yes, I will send you. Section 4 is phone and calling. Conversation 10 sentences. Can you hear me? 31. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. 32 is the network is very poor. The connection is very poor. That's why I couldn't talk to your space. This is very simple. And number 33 is I will text you later. I will text you later because this question is too much essential. That's why I will text you later. Right now I'm busy. 34 is please call me back. Please call me back. Yes, of course I will back you. And 35 I am on the way. I am on the way just 5 minutes late to reach your destination. And 36 is sorry I missed your call because I was busy. And I'm doing my work on my office. This kind of full sentences with this short sentence like 37 is let's talk later because this issue is too much crucial between you and me because that's why let's talk later with free time. 38 is I will send you the details. I will send you this address with full information. Simple question. 39 is thank you for your update. Thanks for the update because this update was too much essential for me. 40 talk to you soon. Section 5 is social media, social and political conversation. It's the same 10 sentences. Number 41 is nice to meet you. You are a very amazing person. 42 is long time no see. Where you have been? staying last 10 days? A long time no see. Where you have been staying last 10 days? Simple question. What do you do? Now I'm doing my work. Now I'm doing my content creation. 44. Where are you from? I'm from Rajshahi, Dhaka, Bangladesh. This sound good. This sound is good. This is a natural sound. Outstanding. What an incredible sound here. I'm using this kind of content, this sound, because the noise is too much outside my room. I agree with you because you have been very crucial session there. That's why I'm agree with you. I don't think so. How much price is this? I don't think so. What you are thinking right now? I don't think so. What you are thinking right now? No problem at all. Everything will be clear. Some days late. Just need time. Because time will change everything. Take care. This is time for why. Have a nice day. Please enjoy your day. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? If you practice these 50 sentences daily, your conversation will increase naturally. Save this post, comment PDF to get printable version. Follow for daily English tips. So, see you soon with another content this time for why.